Let's see how to add an ONU and how to link the ONU step by step. First, open the map. Once the map is open, right-click anywhere on the map. Now, enter the location name where the ONU will be installed. After entering the location name, select the appropriate ONU type from the list. Then, click the Save button. You will now see that the device has been added successfully. Now, let's linking the ONU. Before linking, make sure that the ONU is correctly associated with the customer location. Once this is confirmed, go to the OLT device section. In the OLT device settings, enter the ONU MAC address. You can find the MAC address printed on the back side of the ONU device. Next, enter the location name that you created earlier in the device location field. Double-check the details to ensure everything is correct. After verifying all the information, click the Update button. Once the update is complete, we'll see that the ONU has been linked successfully. This completes the process of adding and linking an ONU. You can now see your device at the location with a green signal, which indicates that the ONU device is online.